Hi everyone, take a accurate and mark line. Now cut all of them and make small pieces like this. Let's color them green. Now we are going to put a stake inside this clay. Put all of them and look, your Christmas tree is ready. You can also put colorful balls. Let's reuse this plastic bottle and make a Christmas tree. So cut the plastic bottle. After this, we are going to cut small petal shapes from it and make multiple cut on it. Now we are going to paste all of them on this bottle using hot glue gun and put it at the base as well and make this cone shape. After doing this, we are going to cover it using this paper strip and some colorful clay balls, and look, your beautiful Christmas tree is ready. Let's make these Santa finger puppets at home. So we are going to fold this red color of craft paper. You can see the measurement on screen. Now make multiple fold and make this triangular shape like this. Fold it from its bottom side and put it on the fingers. You can also draw eyes and nose, and look, it's ready. Let's decorate and make a beautiful colony for Christmas Day. We are going to put these Christmas tree and decorated house. Put all the ornaments on this base, and you can see the holes. You have to fit it like this and it's done. We are going to make this Chinese dragon. So let's get started. We are going to cut small pieces of acrylic. Now cut it from its sides. We are making V-cuts using clay. We are going to make the eyes. Now we are going to sew all of them one over another. You can also make small pieces of straws and put all of them together, and it's done. Take a paper cup, cut the base and make 2 cuts on its sides. Now we are going to take another paper cup, make holes and put thread, and we are going to put all of them together. We are going to make a fun crocodile craft. So paste it using hot glue gun or double-sided tape, and look, your very fun craft is ready. We're going to peel the skin like we are doing here and cut the wings of the butterfly. Now we are going to tap the wings on this clay, put the antennas, and look, your beautiful butterfly craft is ready. So we are going to make this fun fish craft. Draw the fish shape on this red color of craft paper. After this, take a scissor and cut according to the lines. Open it and look, your fun fish craft is ready. We are going to make these pineapple crafts today. Here we are going to roll this fruit foam net and tie it at the top and bottom using rubber band. Now open it and make this oval shape. Now take a paper and cut the crown of the pineapple and put all of them together, and it's ready. We are going to make these beautiful paper strawberries. Let's get started. So we are going to make multiple fold on this red color of craft paper. Press it from its bottom side and do the same from its other side. After doing this, we are going to fold it like we are doing here in this video. Now gently open it using fingers, and look, your strawberry is ready. After this, we are going to put money inside, and we are going to make the upper side of the strawberry. So cut this green paper and fold it. Put a stick as well. Draw the dots on the strawberry, and it's ready. Collect some dry leaves. We are going to make a beautiful artwork today. We are making the hair of the girl. So make a cut and put the paper inside. Let's make its dress as well. So paste some dry leaves on the top of it using double-sided tape. You can also paste it using glue. We are also cutting some stars, and look, your beautiful girl is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.